you will likely fail, or your odds are terrible. If these are the messages you are getting, if your videos are getting no views, this is why. This is where most videos die. We're making yours survive. If your videos are getting no views, it's not random, it's not bad luck, and it's definitely not because YouTube is against you. It's because something very specific is breaking the chain. Here's the uncomfortable truth. YouTube showed your video to real people, and they chose something else. That's why you're getting 0 views. Not because the algorithm hates you, but because your video failed one critical test. Right now, your video is being judged in seconds, not minutes. Seconds. A real person sees your thumbnail and scrolls past. Or worse, they click and leave almost instantly. And in that moment, the system makes a decision. This video is not worth showing to more people. That's it. Game over. But here's the part most creators never realize. YouTube does give you a chance. Every upload goes through a quiet test. A small group of real viewers see it. Real behavior, real signals, and their reaction decides everything. And if those signals are weak, your video disappears before it ever had a chance to grow. If they don't click, it stops. If they click but don't watch, it dies even faster. That's why it feels like you're invisible. Because right now, it's not your effort that's the problem. It's what happens in the first few seconds. Not because no one can see your content, but because no one is choosing it. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what that test is, why most videos fail it, and how to fix it before your next upload goes live. In this video, we're going to break down exactly what's happening behind the scenes, why your videos are stalling at 0, and more importantly, how to fix it before your next upload goes live. Because right now, it's not your effort that's the problem. It's what happens in the first few seconds. Because once you understand this, everything changes. The clicks start coming in, the watch time improves, and suddenly, the same effort starts producing completely different results. Let me explain. Hi, my name's Bob, and this channel is built for one specific purpose: to help people over 50 build faceless YouTube channels, using AI tools to create real income, without overwhelm. Because let's be honest, most people at this stage of life are not looking for a hobby. They're looking for a real retirement income strategy, a way to make money online over 50, something sustainable, not exhausting, and that's exactly where YouTube automation fits. Our main market is the United States, but we need to help protect the incomes of people from all Western countries and others where your livelihood and retirement is at stake. With AI, we can help you to cut the hours you use in your video creation time by a factor of 4 and turn simple content into consistent income. See links near the top of our video comments below to learn how. The first thing we need to address is the myth of the shadow ban. Everyone loves to blame a hidden penalty when their numbers are low, but the reality is that YouTube wants people to watch videos because that is how they make money. If your video is good, they will show it. If it is sitting at 0, it means the initial testing phase failed or never even started. Think of the algorithm not as a judge, but as a mirror. It simply reflects the behavior of the viewers. If the mirror is dark, it is because no one is looking into it yet. The very first hurdle you are crashing into is likely the click-through rate. This is the ultimate gatekeeper of growth. Every time your thumbnail appears on a screen, that is an impression. If people see that image and keep scrolling, you are sending a loud signal to the system that your video is boring or irrelevant. You might think your thumbnail is fine, but fine is the enemy of viral growth. In a world of infinite choices, fine gets ignored. You need to create a visual gap in the viewer's brain that only your video can fill. Most beginners make the mistake of making their thumbnail a summary of the video. If the video is about how to bake a cake, they put a picture of a cake and the words "how to bake a cake" on the screen. Why would anyone click that? They already know exactly what is inside. There is no mystery or tension. Instead, you should show the cake collapsing or a secret ingredient that looks unusual. You want the viewer to ask a question that requires a click to answer. If your click-through rate is under 2%, your video is effectively invisible. The algorithm will stop testing it because the data shows that people are actively choosing anything else over your content. You have to earn that first click with psychological curiosity. Once you solve the click problem, you run straight into the second wall, which is the retention cliff. This is where most channels die a quiet death. Let us say you finally got someone to click because your thumbnail was amazing. If they leave within the first 30 seconds, you have effectively told YouTube that your video is clickbait. The system tracks exactly when people drop off, and if that drop-off happens instantly, it assumes your content is low quality or misleading. Many creators spend minutes introducing themselves or talking about their day before they get to the actual point of the video. In the modern era of short-form content and quick dopamine hits, you have about 5 seconds to prove that the viewer is in the right place. You need to validate their click immediately. If your title promised a secret tip, you better mention that secret tip within the first 10 seconds to hook them in. Another massive reason for zero views is the lack of a defined target audience. If you make a video about gardening one day and a video about professional wrestling the next, the system has no idea who to show your stuff to. The algorithm builds a profile of your channel based on who watches your videos. If your data is a messy soup of different interests, the machine gets confused and gives up. It is much easier to grow when you pick a specific person and make every single video for that specific person. When you do this, the algorithm can find more people just like your initial viewers, and the snowball effect begins. If you are casting too wide of a net, you will end up catching absolutely nothing. We also need to talk about the concept of search versus discovery. If you are a brand new channel with 0 subscribers, you cannot rely on the homepage to save you. You are an unknown variable. This is where search engine optimization becomes your best friend. You should be making videos that people are actively typing into the search bar. Use tools to find out what questions people are asking in your niche, and then answer those questions better than anyone else. Once you build a small base of viewers through search, the algorithm will start to understand your content and begin recommending it to similar people on their home pages. You have to build the foundation before you can build the skyscraper. There is also the technical side of things that people often overlook. Are you uploading at the right time? Is your audio quality so bad that people leave because it hurts their ears? You do not need a $1,000 microphone, but you do need clear sound. People will forgive bad video quality, but they will never forgive bad audio. If you sound like you are recording inside a tin can during a thunderstorm, no one is going to stay long enough to hear your message. Check your levels and make sure your voice is the most prominent thing in the mix. Finally, the most painful reason your videos get no views is that the ideas themselves might just be uninteresting. This is a hard pill to swallow for creators. We all love our own ideas, but we have to be objective. Is this a video that you would actually watch if it popped up on your feed? Or are you just making it because it was easy to film? The highest performing creators spend 80% of their time on the idea and the thumbnail and only 20% on the production. A great idea with mediocre execution will always outperform a boring idea with cinematic production values. You have to give people a reason to care. Whether you are entertaining them or teaching them or inspiring them, there has to be a clear value proposition. If you can fix these core pillars, you will see those zeros turn into hundreds and those hundreds turn into thousands. It is not magic. It is just math mixed with human psychology. Stop blaming the ghost in the machine and start looking at your data with honest eyes. Your breakthrough is waiting on the other side of these adjustments. Stay consistent and keep refining every single frame. So now you can see it clearly. It's not one big mistake that's holding you back. It's a chain reaction. Your thumbnail doesn't trigger curiosity, so no one clicks. No clicks means no data. No data means no reach. Or you do get the click, but your opening loses them, and the system decides your video isn't worth pushing further. And just like that, your content stalls. But here's the good news. Every single one of these problems is fixable. You don't need better luck. You don't need expensive gear. And you definitely don't need to hope the algorithm picks you. You need better signals, stronger thumbnails, sharper titles, faster hooks, clearer targeting. When you fix those, you change how people react. And when you change how people react, you change everything the system sees. That's when the momentum starts. And here's something most creators never hear. Your early videos aren't failures. They're data. Every low-view video is showing you exactly what's not working if you're willing to look at it honestly. So don't stop now. Refine, adjust, improve. Because the difference between 0 views and real growth is usually just a few small changes done consistently. If you're serious about building a channel that actually makes money, not just from ads, but from real systems and automation, make sure you check the links at the top of the comments. That's where the real leverage is. And remember, this isn't luck. It's strategy. And now you've got it. You can do it.
You just need to start. A beginner is a winner.